Good morning all. Today I will continue chapter 3 Material in Daily Life. In this chapter you have learned about plastic. Now what is plastic? Plastic is a synthetic material which is made by a chemical industries using crude oil. This is the main material to make this. Now there are two type of plastics, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic, which is mold easily on heating, like PVC, polythene, etc. And the thermosetting plastic, which do not mold on heating and cannot be reshaped on heating. This is known as thermosetting plastic, like electrical insulators, plug covers, etc. Now today I will start the characteristics of plastics. Plastics are used widely because they have useful properties. Some characteristics of the plastics are: first, non-reactive. It is non-reactive by air, water and soil, etc. So they are biodegradable. That is why they are used to store all kinds of things, including chemicals. Light, strong and durable. Plastic are light, strong and durable, which can be molded into different shapes and size. Poor conductors. Plastic are insulators. They do not allow heat and electricity to flow through them. That is why electric wires are covered with plastic covering, and handles of screw drivers also are made of plastic. Now the chemical reactivity. Plastic are not affected by acid and alkalis. So these can be used for medical purposes and in aeronautics. Now, appearance and workability. Most plastic except bakelite and melamine, which is very hard, and also it is known as thermosetting plastic. Most plastic are either transparent or translucent, which can be colored. There are different colors, and it is molded in any shape. Now there are some type of plastic object and their useful properties. Now the biscuit wrappers, which is flexible, airtight. This is also a plastic. Plugs and sockets. Electrical insulators, which is tough, and it is used in electrical insulators like plugs and sockets. Houses, rubber, boots. This is a plastic object, and the useful properties is this is waterproof and flexible. Houses, rubber and boots are waterproof and flexible. Now helmets. It is very strong. Food can be heated in a microwave in a special plastic container that do not get heated, but only the food inside them get heated. Non-stick cookware is made of Teflon, a special plastic on which the oil and water do not stick. Some plastic are fireproof. The uniform of firemen are fire coating of melamine plastic.